Toddler food, pumpkin millet congee. Hi, I'm Novena, the Chinese medicine practitioner. I will demonstrate how to make this healthy congee meal for children aged 12 months and up. It is balanced in nutritional food groups, containing low salt and high fiber. It is also neutral-natured, 寒熱均衡, thus suitable for all toddlers with any type of body constitution. There are only 6 ingredients: Chinese millet, pumpkin, Chinese yam, red dates, dried fig, and firm tofu. A complete list of ingredients with quantities can be found in the description box below. Fill a pot with some water. Bring it to boil, then add the millet. Boil it for 10 minutes. Millet has a cool nature. It cools the stomach down and improves digestive function. Meanwhile, cut the pumpkin. Peel the skin and remove the seeds, then cut into small pieces. Pumpkin has a warm nature. It moisturizes and nourishes the lungs. Next, put on some food preparation gloves. Wash the Chinese yam, peel off the skin, and cut into small pieces. Chinese yam has a neutral nature. It has an effect of strengthening the body's qi. Add the Chinese yam and pumpkin to the pot and boil for around 20 minutes until the pumpkin is soft and slightly mushy. Stir the pot occasionally. Meanwhile, remove the skin and seed from the red dates. Cut it into small pieces. Red dates are warm-natured. It has an effect of calming the mind. Cut the dried fig into small pieces. Add them to the pot. Lastly, cut the tofu into small pieces and add it in as the last ingredient. Tofu is cool-natured and is the protein source for this meal. Boil for another 3 minutes and your pumpkin millet congee is done. Cook and enjoy this meal with your child. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I am Novena, the Chinese medicine practitioner. Please subscribe for more videos.